Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com. We did it. We knocked out 2024 Topps Triple Threads Baseball 2-box. Pick your team number 4 from JaspysCaseBreaks.com. A lot of nice stuff here. 2-box break. We have 4 left, so we'll roll the dice for that. Big thanks to everyone here. We sold this out straight up. And remember, as long as you're on this list, you're part of the Hammer and Hank promo. We're getting there on that one too. Thanks everybody for making this one happen. Just as a reminder, breaks that where we end up pulling teams for a random number blocks do not count. But this one does. All right. So 1, 2, 3 for the top 2 boxes, 4, 5, 6 for the bottom 2 boxes, and it's 3. So top 2 boxes right here. We will save these for break 5, which I'll load up after this video. So if you're watching live and you're like, man, I always miss my teams, you know, I'd like to get my teams outright, then just wait for a little bit. And after this break, we'll load up Pick Your Team 5. Pick Your Team 4, people. Good luck. Big fan of the triple threads. Donnie Brasco on in the background, great movie. Alright, so we got base and numbered right there. We got a numbered card in the middle over here and another non-numbered base right up there. Numbered card base. Ooh, look at that. 11 out of 50 Shohei in the middle. And another, come throwing Kyle Tucker around right there, not numbered. All right, there's 11 out of 50 Shohei Ohtani. Dodgers edition going to Danielle. Kyle Harrison, 3 out of 75. That will be for Justin and the Giants, Justin Mace. We got Ha-Sung Kim, 160 out of 199. He ended up with the Rays. This is still Padres edition going to Steven Olson. And Reggie Jackson, 8 out of 25. Looks like A's edition here going to Kevin. All right, your hits. Good luck. The relic is usually on the bottom. There it is. Triple relic Kyle Harrison. 27 out of 27. And that's once again Justin Mace with the Giants. And the auto, good luck, is... Wow, nice Dave Winfield. Hall of Fame 2001, 4 out of 18. Triple relic and autograph. That's going to go to, that is Yankees edition, going to Damien. I think Dave went in as a Padre. I think he was not happy with the Yankees organization. He went in as a Padre. And I think Boggs went in as a Ray, right? I think after those couple incidents there, I think the Hall of Fame committee says, listen, we're going to pick the hats. All right, here's Aaron Judge. 7 out of 18. Eclipsed Maris. Triple relic. Got a piece of the lumber right there too. Game used. That might have hit a home run with that bat. That's going to go to Damien and the Yankees. And here is O'Neal Cruz. Look at that. 76 out of 99. Jersey and auto. Pirates last spot mojo strikes again. 70% of the time, last spot mojo hits all the time. Nice. There you go, John. All right. Next. Good luck.
My mother can hold her head up in any neighborhood in the city when she walks down the block. I'm known all over the world. Anybody about nothing.
All right, final 2 boxes. Good luck. Swanson, Kim, Rooker, Casas. We got Jordan Walker, 62 out of 149, Cardinals. Jack with St. Louis. Nick Lofton, 008 out of 149 for Kansas City. That'll be for Jeremiah and the Royals. Corbin Carroll, 11 out of 125. A little bit of a corner issue down there, but it's going to go to Michael and the Diamondbacks. And last but not least here, Randy Johnson, the big unit, 008 out of 199. That is Seattle edition. That will be for Kevin. All right, and we got Brian Reynolds, Pirates, 34 out of 36. For John and the Pirates. Last spot mojo. And behind Emmett Sheehan is a triple relic, triple auto. And they're all Astros. Wow. Alex Bregman, Jeremy Pena, Kyle Tucker, 25 out of 27. That's Walter with the Astros. Got him straight up. Nice. All right. Relic down here, Nolan Arenado. Nice game-used piece of the lumber, 17 out of 27. That's going to go to Jack and the Cardinals. All right, big piece of the lumber right there. And the last one behind Josh Gibson is going to be Cade Marlowe. Triple relic and autograph. That is 66. Nope, check that. That is 84 out of 99. That's going to be for Kevin and the Mariners. There you have it. Bob Gibson is a Homestead Gray, so someone's going to get that base card. All cards ship. Let's quickly go back over here, gather everybody's names. And name on top will get that extra card after 3 and a 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and a 1. Fourth and final time, and that's going to go to Kevin as well. Kevin with the triple relic and autograph, plus the extra base card right there. There you go, my friends. I'm Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Final 2 boxes are going to be in the store. Check it out. I'll see you next time for the next Triple Threads break. Bye-bye.